Hello everyone, this is Sean with Peep Tactical, and today we have another field strip. This time we're doing the Ruger RXM. First thing we're going to do is press the magazine release and remove the magazine. Next, pull back on the slide, make sure there's no ammunition in the chamber. With this complete, we'll point the firearm in a safe direction, press the trigger. The RXM tears down exactly like a Glock. Pulling down on both sides of the takedown levers, we'll simultaneously do that while pulling back on the slide. Go back just a little bit and then pull the slide forward to release it from the frame. Here, we simply compress the recoil assembly and then pull it from under the slide. Pushing forward on the barrel and then down, we can back the barrel out to separate it from the slide. Now to reassemble. Insert the barrel through the front of the slide and then pull it back until it clicks into place. Now, making sure that this portion goes toward the front of the slide, we insert it and compress the recoil spring. Make sure that it's seated on the shelf. Now, simply align the slots with the tabs on the frame and slide the slide all the way back until it compresses and then resets. From here, we'll go ahead and press the trigger for a function check. While holding the trigger, pull back on the slide and release it, and then slowly release the trigger until reset. Reset is working fine. Our final function check, to reinsert the magazine, pull back on the slide to confirm last round hold open. This firearm is functioning properly. Okay, this has been the field strip and reassembly of the Ruger RXM. I'd encourage you to sign up for our newsletter. You can find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.